Could we see a new lighter Vision Pro coming soon? Well, Apple just announced new visionOS updates, but something doesn't sit quite right, and here's why. In the new accessibility updates, one example Apple highlights is a Vision Pro user working in their kitchen, zooming in and magnifying the text on a cookbook and recipe cards and checking off the ingredients on their list as they go in the Notes app. This would be great on a device that's lighter and easy to wear, but weighing over 600 grams, Vision Pro isn't exactly something you would wear while cooking, unless you're Joanna Stern, of course.
It is not recommended to prepare food while wearing the Apple Vision Pro. Okay, sure.
The new updates are coming later in the year, and I wonder if we might see a lighter device that would be better suited to cooking, for instance. In 2023, Apple acquired Mira, a lightweight, hands-free device powered by your iPhone, which could be a further signal that such a device is on the horizon. Apple has been a long leader in accessibility, and they set the bar high with many features eventually evolving into mainstream user experiences. Apple doesn't just build for accessibility, it prototypes the future through it. Let's see what happens at this year's WWDC in June. Be sure to check out the Immersive Luxury Substack for more.